We need a new motor.
Out of gas on the freeway.
I got fucking sideswiped by some giant ass moving truck.
Start taking some shit off. I don't know what. Taking this off. That's what we're doing.
That's a fucking intro, dude. Holy shit.
What are we doing over here, Matt?
Popping some camshafts out.
This is the engine that's going in the E30?
Yes, sir. Hey? I was hoping I didn't have to pull the cams out. I was like, oh, maybe I can sneak the head bolts out. And I was like, nah, it don't work like that now.
What are we gonna do?
Well, it's a huge patriot, so we're gonna make sure that everyone knows.
The best.
Finish yourself in the top gun high five. Overall diag inspection.
A little last minute project, huh?
Yeah, kind of popped up on us, but we take walk-ins, so when Noel sends you the new line on the Shopware software, go ahead and like click for the diagnostic portion.
Don't yell at me, man. I got it.
Latest shop software, all live viewing. The customer can see everything that we're doing, and they get all the updates for the inspection as we go. So after we do this full inspection, he'll get a live report of everything that we found, and then we'll have a bunch of recommendations for him, whether it's a performance product or an OEM replacement, and then we'll go from there. Yeah, power steering pump, the pressure line, and then make a note in the comments section that the timing cover is leaking. I mean, honestly, man, like, as far as like drifting those cars now, it's kind of like getting just way harder.
Vic, what's going on with the plasma table?
We're setting it up, dude.
It looks way better without all the sludge in it. It works, Vic?
It works, dude. Pro rugged razor shaped T. Extremely excited. Can't wait to start making a bunch of reservoirs and chastity belts. Mostly I think that's what we're gonna start doing. It's gonna be cool. Sharpie holder? What? Hold on a second. Dude, you can make a Sharpie holder? Ta-da!
God dang.
Man, I was just minding my own business. For the first time in my life, dude, I was going the speed limit. I got fucking sideswiped by some giant ass moving truck.
And I thought it was like a joke at first. Is he like pulling my leg? But he wasn't. And then, but we can cut to the little cell phone footage that you got earlier.
Matt got hit going to tandem RC. Fucked up this whole bumper right here. Is this his bumper, Vic?
That's his bumper, dude.
Damn.
It's an excuse to build this car, dude. And now we'll build a bash barn.
You just now seeing that?
I've just not seen this. What the hell is this, dude? Because you're very patriotic, dude. Love your country. That's right.
Now we have Ethan moving on this Pajero Junior.
How's it looking, Ethan?
Gotta take this handbrake off. Hopefully it doesn't roll away.
What do you think, Noel?
I like it. I like it a lot. I like that it's a Pajero, and Pajeros are dope, but it's like a smaller version. I prefer the Pajero, just the regular one. I'd be a big boy. It has more room for me. Super comfy, super reliable, and they're really easy to work on.
It's the meatball. There's a meatball. Meatball power.
Arigato gozaimasu. We're gonna go pick up a Land Rover SVR. Wow, dude.
God damn.
It's like when he's driving, there's just so much popping. It's really impressive. Cool. So let's see if we can do anything about it.
Diagging a wheel bearing, taking off the pops and bangs. Noel's a car.
It would be this? No, dude.
This
Fuck
would be
you, dude.
If you ever want to fuck with your friends, pick any car around them that's not their favorite car and tell them if they were a car, they'd be that car, and watch them just fucking lose their mind.
Matt's a PT Cruiser.
I'm from Detroit. I'm reliable, old soul.
Old, all right. Looking pretty good. Finished diagnosing this. I don't know how to say that word. We got the snap-on scanner. Hardest flex we got in here. Scan this whole car, and it's looking good. As I said before.
Where are we going, Noel?
To the land of hopes and dreams. To dream, where other people have nightmares. But realistically, we're dropping this off.
And getting what?
Lamborghini. A Lamborghini. Tight fit. Okay, that's reverse. How do you fucking go with this? Dude, I probably look like a fucking big dude in a sardine can right now.
We're out of gas on the freeway.
Like, out of all the things that happen, ran out of gas. This is what happens when you don't pay attention to the details.
How far away is the nearest exit?
A mile, dude. A mile. And this thing obviously had 0 miles left on it when we left. Right after, like, Country Club. Like, we're pulled over on the shoulder, but... Alright, man. Thank you. I appreciate it. Ran out of gas, man. I know. We have a buddy on the way.
Okay.
Yeah.
How far out is he?
He's like 10 minutes. He's literally just gonna, like, make the loop around. And...
Okay, I'll hang out with you then.
I appreciate it.
You off left, man.
Thank you.
It's not the best area.
Yo, so there's a state trooper behind us. He kind of just has his lights on. If you want to pull in front of the state trooper and the Lambo, and then he's gonna kind of shield you so you can put the gas in. Yes! Yes!
Vic! We're saved, Noel.
We're safe. Victor, I'm so glad to see you. We gotta fill this tank.
To the gas station? Or
Yeah. Well,
Okay.
It's at a quarter tank, but we'll.
Do you know what gas station you're stopping at?
Whichever one's closest. It ran out of gas. I was like, I'm gonna yell at Adam because Adam was the last one to drive this. Adam.
Don't you just want to stick your hand in there, Ethan?
Yep.
Kiss of death.
Kissed.
Whoever previously timed this engine didn't do the best of jobs. The upper chain guide failed. Eventually caught. I don't know if it was just the upper chain guide failing or if they timed the main chain wrong as well, but we definitely have interference going on and valve smacked the pistons. So after cleaning the carbon deposits off the top of the head or the piston head, we need a new motor.